turkeys that are on my street, and they're definitely too small to be slaughtered. So I don't know where the hell they came from, but they're hanging out like they're buddies. This is hysterical. Yes, they are on Franklin Street. This is hysterical. Wait a minute, you don't do that with dogs. I think they'll probably run away from me. Hi, baby. I'm talking to turkeys. Oh, my Lord. Hi. Hi there. Hey, where you going? Oh, you're going to run away now, huh? This is hysterical. Where you going? Go around the other side. This is like the funniest thing ever. I've never seen two turkeys on Franklin Street. Babies. Look at them. You guys don't have 10,000 pounds on you, do you? They must be sort of babies, I guess. I don't know. Anybody know anything about turkeys that's watching this? Alright, they're just hanging out.